Welcome PunjabiShorthand.com. Be ready. Start. However, with reference to the order passed by the tribunal or the judgments of High Court or the Supreme Court, the contention was that these can be even prior to the order passed by the assessing authority full stop, meaning thereby the assessing authority at the stage of passing of assessment order had ignored certain binding precedents by the tribunal or jurisdictional high court or honorable the Supreme Court full stop. There cannot be any dispute in the proposition of law to the extent that if there is any error in the order passed by the assessing authority who failed to take notice of a binding precedent in favor of the revenue, the order being prejudicial to the interest of the state can be revised full stop. However, in those circumstances, it will be the normal period of limitation within which such a power is to be exercised full stop. The exception clause cannot be permitted to be invoked in normal circumstances as the department had ample time as provided in the provision, namely 3 years from the date of passing of order sought to be revised full stop. If the exception clause is to be invoked, there have to be exceptional circumstances full stop. Even if any amendment order of the tribunal or judgment of the High Court or Honorable the Supreme Court is subsequent to the passing of the order of assessment in normal circumstances, the exercise of revisional jurisdiction has to be during the period of limitation, except in cases where the amendment or the order judgment on the basis of which revisional jurisdiction is sought to be exercised had come into existence just before the limitation as provided in section 34 of the act was to expire full stop. Those cases will depend on the facts of each case to be examined as to whether exception clause for exercise of power for revision beyond the period prescribed in that section can be allowed to be invoked or not full stop. However, in the cases where the grounds, namely 3 exceptions as curved out in second proviso to section 34 of the act, were available much before even the passing of the order of assessment, the exception clause providing extended period of limitation cannot possibly be permitted in those cases full stop. In case permitted, that would amount to adding premium to inaction in competence of the authorities, which is clearly against the spirit of the act full stop. It cannot be said to be exceptional circumstance that